How to fix notifications not showing on iPhone. Step 1. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Step 2. Set previews to always. Settings, notifications, greater than, show previews, always. Step 3. Reset network settings. Settings, general, greater than, transfer or reset iPhone, greater than reset, network settings. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Problem solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.